Hey everybody, Dr. Minna with a new concept I want to present to you and discuss with you. Actually, I guess it's just a one-sided discussion other than you putting comments down below. But back in an old philosophy class, decades ago, it was brought up that what is the purpose of the human being? One of the greatest philosophical questions, as opposed to does God exist in the universe and all this other crap. What is the purpose of the human being on this earth? Okay. Now, there's a school of thought out there, and I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to look it up. Maybe I'll put it in the show notes. That the whole purpose for us being here, us human beings, is to propagate plant life, to spread seeds around like animals do when a certain animal eats a fruit and they consume the seeds, and then they walk around in other places and defecate the seeds in their feces in other areas, and then that's how plant life expands. Okay. In some sense, we kind of do the same. But more importantly, these bodies, the whole purpose of these bodies who have total control over us are bacteria and viruses. Our bodies are just a host for the living organisms of bacteria and viruses. This is the purpose of the human being. Now, what keeps us in checks are mosquitoes, because they kill more human beings than anything. The accumulation of all the wars in the history, accumulation of all diseases in the history, which a lot of the mosquitoes are contributing to the death through diseases and viruses. Now, why hasn't that come up with all this coronavirus stuff? How come the word mosquito has not even been uttered? Thank you, Chiquita. She agrees. Why hasn't this word even been uttered about transpassing, getting this virus into other living organisms through mosquitoes and the blood transfer that way? I haven't even heard that word, mosquitoes. There's something there. Like I said, the human being is a cancer of the earth. I've mentioned this in several videos in the past when I first started out. We are the cancer of the earth, and our purpose, our whole purpose on this earth is to host viruses and bacteria. The millions, and some might even say trillions, of these organisms and cells inside our bodies that we are keeping alive and sustaining to spread around this earth. I'm Dr. Minnow. Some food for thought. Think about it. Like I said, there are terms for exactly what I'm talking about, but I just don't know them right now. Pura Vida from Costa Rica. I'm staying home a lot doing a bunch of videos, as my subscribers perfectly know.